All right, so if you're someone who loves to go caseless, this is the product for you. We're looking at something that's going to help you get that full 100% naked iPhone feel, but you're gonna get stronger MagSafe and better grip on the back of your phone. And today we are taking a look at the Suti Phoneback for the iPhone 16 Pro Max. So the price on this varies depending on the material. You're gonna get silicone for $39, clear for $39, carbon, which is the one I have, for $49, and then nano leather or nano suede for $59. So the prices vary by materials and how, premium those materials are, but it is still worth it in my opinion if you are someone who loves to be caseless but just want that little bit of extra protection on the back and a little bit of extra grip. So it comes in a bunch of different colors, bunch of different options. Like I said, that link is down there so you can check it out for yourself. So taking a look at the packaging, very, very simple, classic Suti packaging. It says the name of the brand here, and in it you can kind of see your case right there or your phone back. On the back, it's got a little bit more information right there, and does say it is the carbon fiber version for the 16 Pro Max. So just getting it out of here, all you do is just slide this out, and you are greeted with nothing but the phone back. So we'll just go ahead and put this back, set it off to the side, and let's take a look. Now last year, if you guys saw for the 15 Pro Max, I did the review for the silicone versions. I had a red one and a black one. I'll leave that video at the end of this one, just in case you guys want to see the colors, how it fits with the silicone. It's pretty much the same thing when it comes to the 16 Pro Max because they're basically the same phone. But anyways, taking a look, you are going to get this carbon fiber material here, and on the inside, you're getting this very nice soft touch silicone style material. You do get your MagSafe and alignment magnet right there and a little bit of Suti branding. Now your camera ring is going to be recessed right there so that way your camera lenses and everything fit in there perfectly and your camera bump or lenses do not get scratched up. Now, the back of this has a very, very slight texture to it. As you can see, it is carbon fiber, so it's gonna show some fingerprints. If that's something that bothers you, I would maybe go with like a leather version. Silicone will probably show fingerprints as well, but it doesn't really bother me too bad. Now, of course, you're going to get that enclosed camera ring right there, which I always find looks really, really good and really lets you show off the color of the case without having your iPhone's color protruding there. So that is nice, and you are going to get a little bit of Suti branding right there. Now, before we put it on our phone, let's go ahead and weigh it and see how thick it is. Now, the iPhone 16 Pro Max by itself, completely naked with no screen protector, is 227 grams. Now, let's bring over the scale real quick. I do have my 16 Pro Max right here, and it's going to have a full coverage tempered glass screen protector. So before that, I don't usually weigh just the phone itself or the case with the phone, but I just wanted to show you guys what you're looking at with a caseless kind of experience. So 243 grams is with that screen protector, 227 without, 243 with. So just putting it on the back of it, let's see, you're looking at 40 grams. So it's about the same weight as some cases, but it's going to give you that really good MagSafe and add a little bit of extra grip to the back of your phone, which is how, I don't know if you guys are like me, but I hold my phone like this. So having that back on there will add a little bit of extra protection for the back of it without adding really any bulk, and it'll give you a little bit more grip. Now, speaking of bulk, let's just go see how thick it is. Like I said, this thing, you barely feel it. So you're looking at 2.3 millimeters thick, and that's going all the way around this thing. So super, super thin, you barely notice it. So let's go ahead and take our 16 Pro Max, and you just attach it. That's it. There's nothing else to it. Just make sure it's nice and aligned, which it should be because it magnetizes, and you're good to go. So like you guys can see, you do have your MagSafe there. Everything is going to work just fine. And let's take a look at it. Now, there's no need to go around the sides of the case because, of course, you're clicking all of your iPhone's buttons. It's your iPhone's bottom, the right-hand side. All of that is completely your iPhone. No need to test the camera control button. Everything is going to work perfectly fine, but you are going to just get that little bit of extra thickness, but that more added grip here and stronger MagSafe. So let's actually go ahead and take a look at that MagSafe. Before we do that though, I just want to show you guys what it's going to look like. First of all, to take this thing off, it's not the easiest thing in the world. It's not just going to come off. So you got to kind of give it a little bit of force to get that off. But let's just see how the MagSafe is with the iPhone by itself. So we're going to go ahead and take this, pick it up, and the slightest little shake is going to make that base fall off, right? So let's go ahead and bring over the Suti again. We'll just attach that. I have no fingernails, so it's a little tough for me right now. But let's see. There we go. And we'll bring over that 623 again. Do you see the difference? That's insane MagSafe. And if you pull it off, it's not pulling the phone back with it. So let's go ahead and check out a couple of other accessories. So we'll bring over our Apple MagSafe wallet. You're still gonna get your animations as per usual. And for the most part, this thing is MagSafe wallet approved. You do have to give it a little bit of force for that to come off, so I like that. Then bringing over our Apple MagSafe battery pack. There's our animation there. And let's see, you're getting pretty good MagSafe with this. Now, I would be careful just shaking it because the MagSafe is not 100% like insanely strong. So I wouldn't go shaking around your accessories. Nobody really does that. It's just for the video. But you have very, very good MagSafe on here to the point where it's significantly better than it is with the iPhone itself. So like I said, you can put that down. You're still, of course, going to get your animation. And let's actually try it with the Apple MagSafe wallet. That's going to show you the best depiction of it. And this thing, I mean, the slightest little push is coming off, right? But as soon as you put that phone back on, everything is good to go. Magnetizes, take your wallet, and there you go. There you have it. So how is this thing to use? Is it comfortable to hold? And do I recommend it? So yes, it is definitely very comfortable to use. You're going to have no problems with it. You get that 100% naked iPhone feel. That's kind of what you're looking like right there from the side. You get that nice naked iPhone feel without all that extra crazy bulk of a case. And if you're someone who's like, you know, the only case I need is AppleCare, I get it. You want this. You're going to need this. You pick it up, you're going to just get that better MagSafe and that little bit of extra grip. And then if you set it down, you're not going to mess up the back of your phone, and it's going to give you a slight bit of camera protection that we can see right there a little bit. Let me turn the phone this way. Maybe it'll be a little bit better in focus. So you're going to get just a slight bit of camera protection. It is a tiny, tiny bit raised over the lenses. Again, I wouldn't go too crazy setting it on all your surfaces, but the back is going to be protected, and that's what you want to do right there. You want to make sure you get a little bit of that extra grip on the back so you don't go and drop your phone and have to use that AppleCare. But you still get the sides naked, you still get all your own buttons, your port on the bottom. Everything is completely your iPhone's. You just add a little extra, just that little extra bit on the back without really noticing it too much. At least I don't notice it that much. I've used these a lot. I used it a lot for the 15 Pro Max. I used it a lot for the 16 Pro Max before this video. You got plenty of options: suede, silicone, leather, all that fun stuff, carbon fiber. So yeah, if that's for you, I would highly recommend just picking one of these up and check it out. See if you like it. So let me know what you guys think about the Suti Phoneback down in the comments below. I can't wait to hear your thoughts on this one. Make sure you guys like the video and subscribe to the channel. That goes a very, very long way for me and allows me to make these videos consistently for you. And if you guys want to see my review of the silicone one, like I said, it's going to be pretty much the same exact thing. It is for the 15 Pro Max, but same thing. I'll leave that video right there. If you guys want to see another really minimal case for those of you who love to go caseless, it's my favorite minimal case. I'll leave that right there.